It's Parallaxox here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your character bigger or smaller by using a script. And I'm just going to use the base plate as a part, but you can use literally any part. I'm just using base plate for conveniency, so it automatically opens whenever I get into a part. So first you open the script, get rid of the print hello world, and then we're going to have a table of local properties. And then we're going to have equals, and then the curly brackets. That's not the curly brackets. This is the curly brackets. And then in print 1 quotations, we're going to have body length scale. And then the next one's body width scale. Basically, I'm just going through all the properties of the character. And then the next one's body height scale. So body height scale. And then I had to capitalize the S. That has to be capitalized just like I'm doing, or it won't work. Then the next one is body proportion scale. So body proportion. Oops, I had to include the quotation marks. So body proportion scale, and body type scale. So the next one is body type scale, and then the last one is head scale. So after you get all these properties done, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a debounce variable, because we don't want people to keep running this thing. So false, debounce equals false, and then script dot parent dot touched connect, and function, oops, it already made brackets for me, I didn't notice, function hit, so function and then hit, and then hit enter so the end is made with the bracket on the end. And then we do if debounce equals, well, equals false. So equals false, then first we're going to set debounce to, apparently I didn't hit enter. Then we're going to set debounce equals true, so it doesn't run again. Then local char, which is short for character basically, equals game dot players colon get player from character, then hit dot parent, and of course I made the brackets again, so I'm just going to fix that real fast. You don't need double brackets. Okay, so the next thing we need local humanoid. Oops, I broke the end. You can go back up a line. Then local humanoid. Local, come on. Why is it doing this to me right now? Come on, go back up. Okay. Local humanoid equals hit dot parent find first. Oh, I messed up the capitalization. Find first child and then humanoid. So it finds the humanoid because that's where all the properties are. And then if humanoid, then we're just going to for underscore comma property in pairs, and then in brackets properties do, and then you basically just do humanoid property, and then that's in brackets dot value equals however big you want. So I'm just going to do 5. You can make it smaller. The normal character size is 1, so that would make mine 5 times bigger. And then just wait like however long for debounce, and then change debounce equal to true. Well, actually not to true, to false. So if we run this, now as you can see, when I touch the base plate, my character gets bigger. It's waiting to load in, that's why it's taking forever to make me look bigger. But I'll eventually get bigger. There we go. That's it. I wonder why my head didn't get bigger. Did I mess something up in the script? Hold on. No, it looks right. Oh, there it is. It just took a bit. But there's the head scale. It's probably because I wasn't loaded in fully and the head scale didn't work. But it does work, so make sure